Thursday, March 20th, and we're in West End. Normally we would have left at this kind of weather, but we're on a good mooring ball, and it's better here than out there, so we've decided to stay. One of those kind of days where everybody stays on their boat. Nobody goes anywhere, including us.
I didn't sign on for this. How are you doing?
Oh, well, we've been playing anchor follies here.
We've reset twice. I'm not sure our second anchor is doing us a dang bit of good. But we've had some 30-knot blasts just recently, and we've held through it, so I'm hoping we're here.
Yeah, I'm hoping we're okay, too. I don't fancy doing all that again, and I hope that they don't get twisted before we get to pick one up. Over.
Look at it twirling.
Thinking about getting a light out and reading a book and just checking our position every time I turn a page or something like that over.
Yeah, that's all we could do. Did you hear the relay from one of the other boats that this is expected to continue through tomorrow noon?
Roger that, yeah. Not good news, but I guess we'll survive one way or another, over.